KSJ for a big picture view of what Houston faces. Jerika, good morning.
Good morning. These rescue helicopters have been in this neighborhood, which is surrounded by 3 bayous. These helicopters have had a rough one the last few days when you consider the fact that they've been flying through torrential rains and high winds, all to bring people who are stranded to safety. And now that the weather has cleared a bit, we were able to see what Houston looks like from up above. Even as the waters finally start to recede, the scope of Houston's flooding and its aftermath is devastating.
So how far are we up in the air right now? Right now we're at 700 feet above the ground.
As a civilian aircraft, we were not allowed to fly over some of the worst hit neighborhoods, but we still saw street after street filled with water. And as dusk fell, the eerie sight of businesses with their lights on, looking like islands in a parking lot lake. Helicopter pilot Michael Hume flew through storm conditions to get to South Texas on Monday. Were you scared? I mean, I know you have a lot of experience, but that's a lot.
There's a lot going on. This kind of weather patterns that were going on was probably some of the craziest I've seen in terms of the ferociousness of the storms, how quickly they were coming around.
It's that kind of ferociousness that rescue helicopters have been facing all week, flying in lower, more dangerous conditions.
Not all heroes wear capes, and a lot more flight suits.
Drones have captured images of flooded highways, streets covered with water, an entire city brought to a standstill. The contrast is especially striking in these before and after photos, a vivid picture of just how much Houston has been transformed by the rising waters. But from the air Tuesday night, we could see conditions are improving.
I'm just thankful that you're actually able to see the sun set, because that sun's going to bring a ray of hope to the Houston area.
Something that this city without a doubt could use. Now, as we were in the air, there were about 9 rescue helicopters in our vicinity, Nora, still working to help those in need.
Yeah, there's still a rescue operation going on here. Indeed, Jerika, thank you so much. We've got much more from Houston to come. Ahead, we'll look at how oil refineries are taking a